Hello guys, on today's video I'll give a brief technical explanation on what a tensor is. A tensor in the physics sense is a mathematical object that describes a linear relationship between two or more physical quantities, which is independent of the coordinate system used to observe them. What I mean by linear relationship is that the output changes proportionally to changes in the input. For example, if I have a linear transformation t applied to a vector v, we get vector w. So if I decide to scale vector v by 2, then our output, vector w, will also scale by 2. Now, what a physical quantity describes depends on the dimension we are describing. For example, a zero-dimensional tensor is a scalar, like temperature and mass. A one-dimensional tensor describes a vector, like velocity and force. A two-dimensional tensor would be a matrix. So the higher in dimensions you go, the more complex the math becomes. The point and power of tensors lie in their ability to represent complex physical relationships in a way that remains consistent regardless of the coordinate system used to describe them. For example, in general relativity, tensors describe the geometry of space-time.